Have you ever been in a group conversation where you wanted to speak up but felt overshadowed? Or maybe you said something and no one reacted? Well, today, I'm going to show you how to become the most engaging person in any conversation without trying too hard. First, start with a hook. The best way to grab attention is by saying something unexpected. Did you know AI once wrote a Harry Potter chapter that made no sense but was still hilarious? People love surprises. It sparks curiosity and makes them want to listen. Next, use a relatable analogy. Break down complex topics into something easy to understand. AI is like a super efficient assistant that never sleeps. Imagine having a personal butler who remembers everything but sometimes gets confused, like when autocorrect turns meeting into mating. This makes your message stick. Add a personal or funny story. Stories make you memorable. I once asked Siri if she believes in love. She replied, "I try to be satisfied with what I have." If AI is this wise, maybe we should take relationship advice from it. A humorous or personal touch keeps people engaged. Encourage engagement. People love to share their own experiences. Ask an open-ended question. Have you ever had a moment where technology completely misunderstood you? This turns the conversation into a two-way interaction, making you the center of an engaging discussion. Finally, leave on a thought-provoking note. End with something that lingers in their minds. Maybe one day, AI won't just assist us, but actually have emotions. Imagine if your phone could get jealous. Now that's something people will remember and talk about later. Remember, great conversations aren't about speaking the most. They're about speaking in a way that makes people listen. Try these techniques and watch how people start turning to you in every discussion. And hey, if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's master our minds together. See you in the next one.